Hi, from DocuSign, this is Developing with DocuSign. This episode is the first of a multi-part instructional series on exploring our e-signature API via Postman. My name is Nima Polat, a developer advocate with DocuSign. If you're new to our platform, Postman offers a great way to explore our endpoints and learn about them quickly. If you're still actively considering technologies to integrate, it's massively convenient to kick the tires a bit with an API before writing a single line of code. Postman is an extremely popular tool for sending REST, SOAP, and GraphQL requests, inspecting response, and easily debugging them. DocuSign offers a custom collection of pre-configured requests. To date, our collection has been imported over 3,000 times. Before we get started, be sure to have installed and set up the necessary dependencies, namely the Postman app and a DocuSign developer account. For the Postman app, you can find those instructions on the Postman website. For the demo account, you can navigate to the DocuSign Developer Center, select Developer Account, and then Create Account. Confirm your registration via email and your account is set up to go. Once you have your Postman client installed and running, head over to the DocuSign Developer Center page. Here we have code examples, quick starts, and tools to help speed up your development. Navigate to our open source Postman collection. Let's go over this page together. First, click the Set up your environment button. To make things easier down the road, you should retrieve some information now. The first piece of information you will need is an integration key. For the integration key, navigate to your newly created DocuSign demo account. Choose Settings. Then select Apps and Keys page from the left navigation. Select the Add App and Integration Key button and give it a name. DocuSign will create the integration key and take you to its configuration page. You can copy the integration key value from here. You will also need to create a secret key for your integration. On the integration keys config page, under authentication, select Add Secret Key button. DocuSign creates a secret key for you. Copy this value now and store it securely, as it's only displayed this one time. You will never be able to retrieve it again from your account. Now navigate back to our Postman page and paste the integration key and the secret key that we just created. Then go ahead and create the environment. Then click Import, which will trigger a dialog box to appear. Select your preferred Postman client app from those listed. I'll be using the Mac version in this tutorial. The collection import should only take a few moments. Once the DocuSign Postman collection finishes importing, you should now have a new collection folder titled DocuSign REST API. If you open this folder, you'll see the various folder and endpoints available to be queried. In the upper right-hand corner, you should see DocuSign-account-D, denoting that your specific demo credentials were imported as the environmental variables for you. Next to that icon, you can select an eye icon to view these variables. This will help you test and try out our endpoints without immediately having to worry about authentication, various IDs, versions, or other details. Some variables such as base URL and host.env are tied to demo by default. As a reminder, demo refers to the free DocuSign demo environment. Should you choose to use the collection to make requests against our production environment in the future, you will need to change some of these variables. Before you can send any request, you need to get an access token. There are a couple of ways you can do this and they're outlined in the README. For this tutorial, I'll show you how you can go through the authorization code grant flow to get an access token. First, navigate to the provided URL and replace the integration key and the callback in the place of the holder. Okay? Then log in and grant permission to the user. And lastly, copy the code. In the authentication folder, select Authorize Code Grant Access Token. Now, paste the token inside the DocuSign environment as code from URL. Now, send a request, and you'll see an access token as well as a refresh token below. Now, as you might have noticed, there are still many variables that are still undefined. The good news is that we have another Postman request that will automatically populate those for you. In the authentication folder, choose Get User Info and run the request. You will see how all the needed variables are populated based on the response you just received. And that's it. Remember, when your access token expires, there is another request under authentication called refresh access token that will simply renew your new token. And that's it for now. In the coming episodes, I'll be tackling the most common workflows and the endpoints required to accomplish them.